Today we're changing up my hair completely in terms of color, but not forever though. It lasts for like 4 to 6 washes, but still it's going to be quite some fun. So I bought these two different colors. One is supposed to be like blue and the other one is supposed to be some kind of pink, so these are the two colors we're going to use. I do kind of plan to dye one side completely pink and the other one completely blue, you know, just so we can check it out. These two are actually from a company called Good Dye Young, and on the website it's quite cool that you could choose hair colors depending on how long you want them to stay. They have a few that last for like 1 or 2 washes. This is I think the next one, which goes from 4 to 6 washes, and yeah, then they also have some more. And it's also not directly called hair dye, but more like hair makeup, which is quite cool. So we're going to test it, take a look at this hair, because we're not going to see it for 4 to 6 washes. I am actually quite happy how long I got my hair to, and I think this might look really fun in some different colors. So let's start the hair dye.
Okay, so at first I need to make the hair wet. Okay, so the hair is wet, now it's time to dye my hair. With which one should we start, with the pink or the blue? On the bottle they don't really look that intense in color, but let's see if the inside is any different. Also, do you see the blue part right here? It literally came like this. In general, they are quite cheap. I think they're like €5 each, but the original website doesn't ship to Europe, so I had to order it somewhat different because otherwise I would have paid €50 for shipping and that was way too much. Okay, let's start.
Well, I have to get anything out here.
Forget it, you have to turn it. Whew. Okay, it is intense blue for sure. And now it basically says to rub it in. Well, I for sure need more product. So far it looks like it's brown. Not sure if there's going to be enough product for dyeing my whole hair.
I will try.
It does smell really nice actually. Let's do it like this. Well, it's quite dark blue. Okay, so this side is now quite intense dark blue. I hope it gets a little bit lighter once I blow dry it. And now let's go with the pink one. It's going to be fun. Let's see the color. Whoa, okay, it's quite liquidy red.
And a lot.
Looks like strawberry jam, to be honest. Not sure if we're going to see that much of a difference. Let's pour it over here. I start to feel like Harley Quinn. It would fit if this one would smell like strawberries.
The last bit.
We're nearly done. Let's get the last little bit out of here. Okay, so far so good. Now let's blow dry the hair.
Okay, are you ready? Here it is! Ta-da! So I definitely thought it was going to be like more intense in its color. Like this side, I don't really see that big of a difference, to be honest. And this side, yeah, you also can see now that I didn't really do this evenly, but I mean, it was a try. I'm just not really sure if you're actually supposed to blow dry it while you still have the product in, because it still feels like super sticky. So maybe I'm just going to wash it again, just, you know, get everything out, because it doesn't seem like it's really finished. Quite flat and everything is really sticky, even though it's already dried out. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but it said on the product that you just blow dry it. I don't know, did I do anything wrong? I think the color that they show in the pictures is usually the color you will get if you have like really white hair. So even with mine, that usually is not that dark, it's just not as much as pigmented as I thought it was going to look like.
Okay, and just so you know, this is how it looks after one wash, so nearly everything is out. This side totally looks normal, and this side I can see a little bit, but definitely doesn't really last 4 to 6 washes. I mean, it's nearly all out, so if I had to rate it, I would probably give it like a 3. Yeah.
And if you like this video, you might also want to watch this wig haul that I once did. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching!